हाय। आज का जो वीडियो है वो आपको जानकारी देगा। हमारा एक बहुत प्रीमियम वर्कशॉप है जिसका नाम है लॉरियल हेयर कलरिंग वर्कशॉप। तो उसके बारे में ये वीडियो आपको जानकारी देगा। ये किसके लिए है, किसने करना चाहिए, इसमें क्या सिखाया जाएगा। वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस। पहले तो हम लोग एक एकेडमी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। हम वी आर बेस्ड इन पुणे। Academy name is Impression International Academy. So we train people on skin, hair, makeup, nails, salon and spa management development as well. So ये workshop series we always conduct uh, mostly in June, July, August, September, क्योंकि ये थोड़े you can say down period रहता है salon का, and lot of salon owners look forward to learn something. So this seminar series is we are conducting this seminar series since almost 2001. So what is the intention? ये intention क्या है? Hair coloring workshop. आपने अगर हमारे ads देखे हैं तो we also conduct rebonding, straightening, smoothing का एक workshop है, 16 का एक workshop है, only airbrush makeup. And if you scroll down on our YouTube channel, you will see lot of workshops, educational workshops in for a smaller ड्यूरेशन एंड एट अ लेसर फीस. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. क्या हो जाता है, बहुत लोग कोर्स तो करते हैं सलोन का, बट नॉट एवरी एकेडमी कवर्स ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ अ सलोन मेन्यू. इसका मतलब है जहां पे भी आप कोर्स करोगे, आपके सलोन में क्या मेन्यू इन द सेंस इन योर कार्ड, व्हाट ऑल सर्विसेज आप प्रोवाइड करने वाले हो, या फिर व्हाट ऑल सर्विसेज विल बी नीडेड बाय योर क्लाइंट इन फ्यूचर, ये प्रेडिक्ट करके कोर्स नहीं बनाया जाता. ओके, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू एकेडमीज एंड वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स जो ये इन डेप्थ नॉलेज लेने के लिए एक एक्सटेंसिव कॉस्मेटोलॉजी कोर्स या एक एक्सटेंसिव हेयर ड्रेसिंग कोर्स विद देयर ब्यूटी कोर्स करेंगे, या फिर लोग ऐसे ही कुछ बेसिक एडवांस कर देते हैं एंड दे जस्ट लर्न टू डू रूट टचअप एंड दे जस्ट लर्न टू डू द ग्लोबल कलरिंग with that box colors, या फिर client color लेके आता है and they just apply. So this course या whatever course we conduct, हम लोग जो course conduct करते हैं हमारे advanced hairdressing में, is not like that. This is a professional training what I have learned from Loreal and from other institutes. My name is Kalyani Umrani and I've been trained from Loreal for very long time, since almost 1996-97, since Loreal was launched in पुणे. लाइक इंडिया में तभी लॉरियल बहुत एक्टिवली काम कर रहा था. I've done my training from Singapore, from good academies like Tony and Guy, Kimage. I've got trained from London also in few of the hairdressing courses. So मेरे प्रोफेशन का नॉलेज एंड मेरा लॉरियल का नॉलेज ये एक साथ समेट के we have this course designed since very long time. ये कोर्स हमेशा अपडेट होता रहता है, जो कुछ नया आया है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फंडामेंटल्स एंड few things which I'm going to explain you in the workshop, in the PPT coming ahead. So all these things are updated also. ऐसे नहीं है कि ये कोर्स एक typical coloring course है, जी नहीं. You will learn a lot of things. So first we will see कि what all we are going to teach. So as I said, it's not a new course. This is almost our 30th batch since 2001. 2001 से मैं ये कोर्स ले रही हूँ, me and my hairdressing team. Okay, so क्या क्या सीखोगे पहले वो जान लेते. As a student, what all you will learn? You will learn global hair coloring and understanding the proper color key, building up color, level on level, toning down techniques, overview on what is corrective coloring. See, there are two types of salons all over. Okay, एक बेसिक सलोन रहता है जो एज आई सेड अर्लियर बॉक्स वाले कलर्स उठा के या किसी लोकल वेंडर से या किसी होलसेलर से कलर लाके दे जस्ट मिक्स एज पर द क्लाइंट एंड दे जस्ट डू द रूट टचअप एंड ग्लोबल. बट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू स्केल अप द बिजनेस टू अर्न मोर अनलेस एंड अनटिल आपकी थ्योरी अच्छी है कलरिंग की और आप बिगड़े हुए कलर्स भी करेक्ट कर सकते हो, या फिर हिना डाइड क्लाइंट है या फिर lot of, if client is coming with lot of color coating, like say the typical chemicals, I don't want to name any other company than this because we focus on L'Oreal in this workshop, but कुछ other companies के color है, local colors है, some Ayurvedic colors, some sachets, and there's lot of building up of metallic dyes on the hair. So बहुत सारे beauticians जो hair में आ रहे हैं उनको कोई ना holding hand ही नहीं है. There is no support. Because if they go to L'Oreal or for any other company wants them to buy a chunk of say 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh ka stock, and then companies will offer them the training. This is what is the company strategy, and which is right. Because unless you are at that level, company will not give you training. This is the market condition. Matlab, this is the prerequisite by company. What we have done is we have tried bridging that gap. हम वो gap bridge कर रहे between the student and between their success into hair chemicals. So what we do is, whenever we teach advanced hairdressing for our students, we inculcate this course in that. So इसमें क्या समझ में आएगा आपको? What is level 1? What is level 1 in the sense? Number 1 is hair color black maybe, and number 10 is blonde, light blonde. Generally, people when they are into coloring, they don't know these levels of hair. They don't know the levels of color. Okay, so they don't know what peroxide, कौन सा peroxide कौन से बालों पे लगाने के बाद with which tube. I'm trying to make all the conversation very simple क्योंकि I know this video is going to be heard by students जो नए हैं, okay, जिनको अभी तक coloring की समझ नहीं है. I'm definitely not interacting to an expert hairdresser in this video. So some people might feel कि ये बहुत basic language में explain कर रहे हैं. But I want this video to be in a very basic language because I'm only focusing on people who are new in hairdressing, who are new in chemical, या फिर बहुत सालों से salon चला रहे पर उनको ये basics पता नहीं है. Okay, what are the levels of color? What are the levels of hair? Highlighting क्या है? Fashion shades क्या है? So I'm interacting with them. So this course will start with the knowledge of trichology. Then to what are the color tones? What are fashion shades? Then as I mentioned here, what is a proper coloring technique? What is a root touch-up? What is mid-length to end correction? What is highlighting? What is corrective highlighting? You know, all this. Then highlights mein, generally how the course goes is first day is lot of theory. First 3 hours is lot of theory from 10 to 1 o'clock. 1 baje ke baad, after the lunch break, we start with lot of practicals, which is more of your root touch-up and your global. Second day, we go on fashion shades, ammonia-free colors, which starts with little highlighting practice. Okay, so 1 color highlight, 2 color highlight, like multi-color highlight, 3 colors, up to 4 color blending highlights we teach in this workshop. Okay, we don't teach these blue colors and red colors in this workshops for a specific reason, because it needs to pre-bleach, pre-lighten the hair. And at this level, students generally don't understand the coats to be stripped out. That's why we don't cover this part. But these kind of highlights, what you see in first 3 pictures, are going to get covered. Okay. So इसमें आप variations सीखोगे. Meshing technique क्या है, slicing technique क्या है, different sectionings, अलग अलग बालों को, thin बाल है, thick बाल है, how to create different dimensions with highlights and global color. Then we also add global with highlights, like complete change of look for a starter, not like advanced, like balayage वगैरह हम लोग इसमें specifically नहीं cover कर रहे, but you will learn lot of different type of highlighting, which is baby light, multidimensional, low light, deep dye, face framing, peekaboo. You can check all these names on Google and you can see the different kinds of highlighting results from that. Okay, but once you know all this, जब आपको ये सारा पता होता है, आप एक बालियाज, रिवर्स बालियाज, फ्रेंच बालियाज अच्छे से कर सकते हो. But unless your basics are clear, unless you don't understand the potency of peroxides, the strength of peroxide, how the result is going to come, you cannot go in advanced. So this course is basic to intermediate level, not very advanced. Okay. Then what are ammonia free colors? Because a lot of people have allergies with colors. बहुत लोग मेहंदी, heena dye से shift हो रहे on coloring. For them, ammonia colors are there. how to use them, how to treat a henna dyed hair, allergies किसको है तो how to handle the allergies, what are patch test, what are allergy test, या फिर how to test the colors prior. Then you will be having lot of questions, मैडम स्ट्रेटनिंग के पहले कलर करना है या बाद में करना है, स्ट्रेटनिंग के पहले हाइलाइट्स करेंगे कि बाद में करेंगे, क्लाइंट के बाल बहुत डैमेज्ड है, मेरे क्लाइंट ने सिस्टीन किया है, एक्वा ट्रीटमेंट की है, दिस प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, व्हेन कैन आई कलर, all these problems are sorted in this workshop. Okay, then there's a lot of client consultation. What we teach, we help you to build a form for your salon ke jisme na everything is very transparent and clear when it comes to consultation of a client, understanding the client and conveying the client कि आप क्या करने वाली हो. Okay, so we are also covering treatment for damaged or dry patches on hair post any chemical treatment. Now such course is not offered even by L'Oreal. Why? I'll tell you. Because आपका education journey भी बहुत gradual बढ़ता है when you are running a salon. But what we try to do with our students is we at least take them to basic to intermediate level so that they start earning well. Believe me, जो fees हम लोग charge कर रहे हैं इस course के लिए, within 2 to 3 clients आपका course का fees you can immediately recover from your clients. So I always call it as investment, so that it's going to give you long-term benefits. It's not just expense. Okay, so don't look at any education as an expense. Look at it as a investment. So one time आपका जो investment होगा in understanding colors, in understanding this treatments for chemically treated hair, you can work long term. Okay, and later once you start, we give you dealers numbers, L'Oreal dealers numbers, and who is authentic, how to understand the authentic product, what are duplicate products, because we have many hairdressers and beauticians, not new but running salons for 10 15 years, and they buy from local market or some so-called dealer and they get deceived. उनको कलर का रिजल्ट भी नहीं आता, क्लाइंट के बाल खराब हो जाते. All these problems are taken care and catered, because it is not that we are just learning something and teaching you, but we use it in our salons, and we have been doing this course for last 22 years. It's not a new course for us. Okay, then L'Oreal Smart Bond. Now this is not taught in any level 1 course of L'Oreal. Why? Because आपका थोड़ा career build होना चाहिए on hairdressing, then only L'Oreal will also give you information about this. But we have added this Smart Bond treatment for damaged dry hair, and you will learn more about it in the class. Then hair spa. Hair spa is like a very common thing, like how people do waxings and facials nowadays. So we have huge clientele for hair spas, and lot of salon owners also approach us, okay, ma'am, can you just teach us only hair spa? Yes, we also have a standalone hair spa class. You can contact on the numbers given below and they can guide you. So hair spa is not completely into the coloring and chemical service, but हम लोगों ने ऐड इसलिए किया है कि आप जब एक आपके सलोन में रेट कार्ड, मेनू कार्ड बनाओगे ना, तो आपके पास भी एक प्लेटर ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट्स रहेगा कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्लाइंट आप कर सकोगे. सो वो ये ऑल द कोर्सेज व्हाट आई डिजाइन आर मोर स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक, कि स्टूडेंट को इसका आगे जाके क्या हेल्प होगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हाउ टू डू ऑथेंटिक हेयर स्पा. हेयर स्पा तो बहुत लोग करते हैं, जस्ट एक डब्बा लाते हैं, अमेजोन पे भी मिलता है. You don't know whether it's original, duplicate, because we get clients and students showing us that dabba, the box what you are seeing now, the tub. Okay, sometimes it's very liquidy, sometimes it's smelling different. So there's a lot of adulteration. That's why you have to buy always from a dealer, and that too an authentic L'Oreal dealer. So we will be giving you all that information. Then people don't use pre-wash shampoos, post serums or ampules. So there's a lot of different knowledge available in the market for hair spa, even on YouTube. But we will teach you what is a authentic hair spa with the acupressure massage, what L'Oreal teaches, and with proper home care notes and everything. L'Oreal Power Mix एक ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट है जो आपको इनिशियल स्टेज में कोई इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करेगा, because it is little premium, and once your salon starts building up you can do that. But we are going to teach you what is power mix in this, because I know मेरे बैच में मिक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं, सारे फ्रेशर्स नहीं रहते, काफी एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैटेगरी भी हर साल ये बैच करती है. Then this is extremely important to understand what shampoos and conditioners you are going to use in salon and also for home care. बहुत लोग हेयर कलर वॉश के बाद प्रॉपर शैम्पू यूज नहीं करते. They don't know that they have to use a alkaline shampoo or they have to use a acidic shampoo to retain the color. They just use vitamino color, absolute, or whatever color is available to them, which says only L'Oreal. It is not like that. Every color comes with a proper post care. Every client comes with a proper scalp care, hair care. So you have to guide the clients in a professional way. अगर आप professionally नहीं सीखोगे तो आपको professionally guide करना भी नहीं आएगा. Okay, so L'Oreal का range which is called as Techni Art range for styling products and for home care products. So we teach you all these range for the only reason कि आपका retail sale बढ़े. I'll tell you a secret about salon success. You know where you start making profits in your salon is, you know, when you start doing good retail. आपके जो सारे expenses रहते हैं ना, overheads, phone bills, miscellaneous expenses in salon should come from your retails. Whether you do skincare, whether you do hair care. So we teach you how to talk to your customers, how to analyze your customers' hair, how to, you know, sell this shampoo to your customers, and not just to sell. I'm not trying to, you know, say कि customer को कैसे shampoo बेचना है. No, I'm trying to tell you कि what exactly the customer needs. Does the customer really needs a vitamino shampoo or does she needs the absolute repair in between? You have to learn this. You just can't, you know, कुछ एक सेमिनार अटेंड किया, 2 सेमिनार अटेंड किया, नहीं होगा. You have to be with the class for 4 days. Yeah. Then, so क्या मिलेगा आपको? हर एक को पार्टिसिपेंट को प्रैक्टिस के लिए मॉडल्स मिलेंगे. That's why we want the early registrations. We generally don't, you know, encourage people के last moment entries because we arrange that many models. Models के भी timings हमको लेने पड़ते हैं. Material जो लगता है प्रैक्टिस के लिए, products, everything will be given to you, including the notes. Okay, and we are giving 2 bonus practice session days. कोई students ऐसे रहते हैं कि ma'am we want to do more because, you know, there's a lot of excitement, lot of questions in the mind, and they're like, ma'am, can we come for 2 more days? And we are like, yes, if we have models, if they're ready to come, we can arrange models and they can come for 2 more extra practices than the workshop. We don't charge you extra for that for sure. Okay, so now I have common questions जो लोग पूछते हैं जब ये वर्कशॉप का कुछ स्टेटस पे देखते हैं या कुछ एड देखते हैं. So is this a company training? So as I said in the earlier, like the first start of this session is, no, it is not a company training. This training is by Impression International Academy. Products we are using is L'Oreal. Hundreds of my students have benefited from these workshops. सारे students L'Oreal से ही लेते. I don't sell any products, but as a student initially आप start कर रहे हो, आपको पता है आप बाहर गांव से हो, आपके you know village में आपको ये color नहीं मिलेगा. I have students coming from all over Maharashtra and few pockets of other cities, other states also. So I know you don't get original products. What we do is we connect you to the dealer. If dealer is not giving you, we can give you the products at what cost dealer is giving you. For the only reason is to support the student. And आपके salon में एक बार coloring start होना चाहिए, and the authentic coloring. This is the entire idea about doing this workshop. Okay, because we are not dealers, so we don't, you know, do some bulk sales or something, but we definitely give products to our students because we know we buy from the authentic source and we don't use duplicate products, and even students should not. So this was your answer to your question. Who will teach? I teach and my hairdressing staff teaches. So we have in-house trainers who will also teach, who will be taking care while you are doing. So आप जब काम कर रहे हो तो trainers will be watching you, the way you section, the way you take care of, you know, the nitty-gritties of coloring, color cleaning से लेके how to drape the client, up to hair wash, emulsification. You will be monitored by our trainers, so don't worry. Can we complete the course in 4 days? Yes, it's a 3 days course. We have extended it to 4 days because we have added a lot of stuff. And as I said, you can come for 2 more extra days. That is not an issue. Earlier, we used to do this course for 6 days. Then people used to say, ma'am, 6 days बहुत हो जाते. Then we came to 5 days, and 4 days is like, we can't reduce it than 4 days because people are very busy nowadays. We have the same module in online version and बहुत सस्ते में है. So बाहर गांव से आप हो, आप आ नहीं सकते, so बहुत अच्छी तरीके से थियोरी और प्रैक्टिकल को रिकॉर्ड किया है. And there are n number of lectures, you can revisit them. So we have it on our learning management system. So आप यहाँ पे आके कोर्स नहीं कर सकते तो definitely join the online course. Then there are few beauticians, hairdresser who say, ma'am, can I attend for 2 days only for highlights? या फिर what if I miss the class, I have some appointment, I have to go for some other seminar. Or no, we generally don't encourage students to attend half class क्योंकि आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. As we dive into the theory and as we take you to all the ups and downs, the questions, on the 4th day आप एकदम expert होते हो, because there are a lot of revisions every day we do. It is not like रोज सिखा रहे. First day जो सिखाया जाएगा उसका revision भी होगा next day. Okay, and in the evening also the trainer will sit with you and ask you, चलो कोई questions है. Every client, whatever we are consulting, you are going to be next to us and consult the client. So आप एकदम involved रहेंगे. So no offs are allowed, no 2 days class, no 1 day class. Okay. Yeah. Then there's very common question, ma'am. I have learned this basic coloring. Is there an advanced balayage? I want to learn French balayage, gloss polish. There is a separate course, but we don't announce that course. It is only for the students who come through workshop. So जो लोग workshop करते हैं, we deal in a very small group. उनको हम आगे जाके balayage and other जो advanced training है वो करते. So if you're interested, you can contact our desk. Then I think these were the very common questions. So you don't have to bring anything. Once you pay the fees, everything will be provided by us. So please do contact our trainers and the admin staff. The numbers have been mentioned here. आपको कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो believe me, this is going to be your investment worth your time, money, your efforts. क्योंकि जो फीस हम लोगों ने रखी है वो बहुत रीजनेबल रखी है for the only reason we want maximum people to do this. We don't earn any money in this. It's literally like a charity what we do for 4 days, because there's a lot of color cost involved. We charge client also some peanuts for colors. So believe me, there's a lot of lakhs of rupees involved in my training, in my staff's training, but we just want to do it for people who are at a level or जिनको एक थोड़ा bouncing a push chahiye to come into the color and chemical industry. So we also have rebonding, straightening and cystine workshops and other workshops also for hair. Do contact our desk in case you have questions, or you can post it in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this, and please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.